Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, all you will need to do then is press the power button and volume down at the same time, like so. You get this flash and a pop-up with a edit, tag and share options, which does disappear after a moment. Once it does disappear, you can find a captured screenshot in either your Photos or Gallery application, depending on which one you prefer to use. And from here you would just navigate to Screenshots and click on your screenshot. There it is. Now I should also add they are in the screenshot album, which you can see right here. And the same thing will happen for the Google Photos as it does for the albums from Samsung. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.